how to open a real account on Metatrader 4. Here's what you have to do: load up the Metatrader 4 app, and then you will click on settings found in the bottom right corner. Now from here you will see the status of your account. At the top it currently says demo, so what you have to do is click on new account, and then you will see two options: open a demo account, which is going to be the only option for Metatrader 4, or you can log in to an existing account. That is if you use other brokers such as FTMO, Vantage, so on and so forth. At the bottom it's going to tell us to open a real account, please contact your broker. So right here what we can do is click on login to an existing account, and then you will have to search for the server name, company or server name. So I'm just going to do FTMO here for as an example. And you will see FTMO demo server, demo 2. So you will need to click on FTMO server. So that's going to be the real account. And as long as you have an account created with another broker, you will be able to log into that account using Metatrader 4. However, if you do not have an account, like it said, then you will need to open up an account with that specific broker, and then it is going to allow you to sign into your real account using Metatrader 4. I hope this answers your question. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.